This is a company here that's doing a trial run with Riverponics. This company focuses on aquaculture with the fish and vegetables. They're doing an inside grow. They are doing 24-foot runs of the Riverponics. They'll be utilizing the rock wool slabs with drippers. This will be a flood and drain scenario. They're going to time stamp this and show the progress thereof and how well this works versus what they've done in the past. And so far so good. They really like the progress this far and how user-friendly everything is and how much cleaner the process is versus what they've done in the past. So it's looking very promising. Thanks for watching.